Hello, short little video of a new part I just ordered. It's from Yogas from the Heartland. They gave me a free catalog. All the stuff you can buy for parts, I guess, of pickups or whatever. This is what I ordered. It's from Billetspecialties, Chevrolet emblem. It's a thermostat, which is a two-piece. You put the chrome piece on after you put the cap on and set the position of the Chevrolet symbol. Looks like it says it's made in the USA. Billetspecialties, Radiator cap, 16-pound. Nothing on the back. Okay, hope you liked the video. There you go. Give me a like, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.